it going. This next act is a magician, Stephen Brundage, and he made it from Saratoga Springs, New York to Hollywood thanks to people power. Take a look and you'll see what I mean.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been obsessed with Rubik's Cubes. Growing up, I was never the super popular kid, always a bit of a loner, and using magic and the Rubik's Cube gave me just a way to make friends and get a lot more confidence. The second audition went absolutely fantastic.
That tiny corner piece is going to go inside the Rubik's Cube in your hand.
That's impossible.
For one of you today, your journey will end.
But sadly, I didn't make it through.
I'm sorry, Stephen.
He's crying.
He's crying.
I was definitely really crushed.
What? That doesn't make any sense.
Are you kidding me?
The judges really messed up this time.
How did Stephen not make it through?
Bring back Stephen Brundage.
There was just this huge social media outpouring from people.
What?
It felt really good that people wanted to support me. Hello, Stephen speaking. I thought that my journey was over on America's Got Talent, and then to get the call back as a wild card was just overwhelming. Now the pressure's on to prove that I belong here. Tonight, I'm doing something I've never done before. I know it's a risk, but I have to pull out all the stops. I know what it feels like to be eliminated, and I'm going to do whatever it takes to make sure it doesn't happen again.
First off, thank you, judges, for inviting me back on America's Got Talent. It doesn't mean the world to me. Everyone knows me for doing the Rubik's Cube magic, but I wanted to make my act just a little bit bigger, so I decided to use a giant Rubik's Cube. So Simon, it is kind of hard to do magic with this, so we're going to save that for later. I want you to guard that with your life.
I got it.
Until the very, very end.
I got it.
And we're going to use Heidi and Melby. You're going to help me out right now. I have this little tiny colored die, Heidi. I want you to take the die, roll it in your hand, roll it on the table, but cover it up so no one in the entire world could see it except for you. So I want you to roll it on the table. Let me know when you could peek out a little color. Do you have a color, Heidi? Do you have a color? Why is everyone laughing? So Melby, also lean in and peek at that same color. Can you do that, Melby? Do you see that same color for me?
Go in there, Mel. You see it?
Perfect. You have that color? Perfect. Melby, I want you to name a different color than what you saw on top of that Rubik's Cube. Any color you want.
Name it out loud?
Yeah, out loud so everyone could hear.
Red.
Red. Do you want to change your mind or are you happy with red? That's actually my favorite color as well.
I like red.
Perfect. Melby, I want you to picture all the red stickers disappearing off your Rubik's Cube. Watch close. Check this out. If I actually take out your Rubik's Cube, you're going to notice there's going to be no red colors on that side. There's going to be none on that side, that side, that side, or that side because the red is hiding right there in the bottom. Now, Heidi, you have a color. No one in America knows the color except for you and Melby. Watch close. Picture that color in your mind. Visualize your color. Watch. Think of your color. Check this out. You're going to see none of your color on that side of the cube. None of your color on that side, on that side, or that side, because the one color that you're thinking about is going to be the color blue. Show us, Heidi.
He is right! Wow.
Thank you, Mel and Heidi. These are for you to keep right now. And here's the thing: the last two rounds, every judge has helped me out except for Howie.
Sorry.
Right, so we're gonna have some fun right now, Howie.
Okay.
Absolutely. So right here, I have two special cubes. I want you to grab either one, and your job is to mix it up. Mix up yours. I'm gonna mix up mine behind my back.
Behind my back? Or?
No, but in front is fine.
Okay.
Yeah, just say the word stop. Holy cow! Don't break it. Say the word stop anytime you want.
To myself?
To me.
Oh, stop.
Out loud. Stop as well. Stop as well. Holy cow! Look at that. That is amazing. Do you see that right there? There's 43 quintillion different ways you can mix it up. Very important. You kind of hid yours up front. I mixed up mine behind my back. You know what the chance of these two cubes matching is?
Not.
1 in 43, just two cubes. Take a look at that. Look, that's gonna be a completely perfect match, Howie, your mixed up cube.
Oh my God.
But check it out, that is all of the sides, a perfect match. But wait, don't clap, stop. No, I did that before. I did that the first round. Simon, you've been guarding that the entire time, right?
Yes, I have.
Has anyone touched it?
Only me.
Look at Howie's mixed up Rubik's Cube. No way. Look at that. That is a perfect side on one. That is a second side.
What?
That is a third side. 4, 5, all 6 sides. A perfect match. That is for you to keep, Howie. That's for you. There you go. Thank you, man. You guys are awesome.
Stephen Brundage.
Amazing. Thank you.
Keep it going for him. Heidi, you're standing on your feet. Tell America why.
Amazing, amazing. I just can't figure out, is it magic or is it practice? But all I know, it's fantastic. It is fantastic. Magic.
Perfect. It's perfect.
It's like ghosts have taken over the show tonight. You know what? I'm so happy that myself and Howie actually listened to the public because the girls didn't want you to come back.
That's not true.
It's true.
Melby supported me.
You know, Howie,
Melby was there
myself,
for
and the public have brought you back, deservedly so. That was an
Thank you.
incredible piece of magic
Thank you,
once
guys.
again. Well done.
Definitely incredible. Howie, talk to him.
Me?
Yes, you.
Yeah, I got killed on Twitter last time I said that you don't have showmanship. I think you blew me away. I feel like Maury Povich because we're going to announce the clairvoyants are your parents. You know? Because it's crazy. It's amazing, and you deserve to be here, and I made a mistake.
Thanks to us.
Time.
Thank you.
Mel B, you said you supported Steven. How do you do tonight?
I just want, just when you think magic couldn't get any more extreme, you come out and you do this in your act. I really want everyone to vote for you because you really are truly astonishing on what you do, and you're really cute.
Thank you.
Steven, as a wild card act, you had to bring it tonight. You had to step it up, showmanship, amaze everyone. Do you feel like you did it?
Absolutely. I hope so.
Well, America, you know what you gotta do. Vote for him. Steven needs you. Get to it. Pick up the phone, get online, use the app. However you do it, make sure your voice is heard. All lines will stay open until 7 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. Okay, how fast can you change your clothes? I guarantee you can't do it as fast as our last act can. You'll see when we return.